Okay, we're getting ready to do some blade swaps here. This blue box fan, I recently bought this about 2 days ago, and it's relatively, the motor seems good. It's 30 watts. And this one right here with the metal blade, that's the converse one with the metal blade, is 32 watts. So the blade is not really made well on this one. The pitch is awful. It's a relatively cheap fan, blue blade, but the fan don't hardly move any air at all. It's awful. So I labeled it a piece of crap. But it has a good motor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to put the metal blade in this one and see if we can get some airflow out of it, and maybe put this one in that one to see what happens. So we'll take a look at the blade once I get it out. But I guess for $18 you get what you pay for. But like I said before, it has a good motor. So let's see what we can do.
With moderate to severe ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease, your plans can change at any time. Your head wants to do one thing, but your gut says, not today. GI-focused Entyvio is made for this. Entyvio acts specifically in the GI tract to prevent an excess of white blood cells from entering and causing damaging inflammation. Entyvio has helped many patients achieve long-term relief and remission. It may help you too. Infusion and serious allergic reactions can happen during or after treatment. Entyvio may increase risk of infection, which can be serious. Although unlikely, the risk of PML, a rare, serious, potentially fatal brain infection, cannot be ruled out. Tell your doctor if you have an infection, experience frequent infections, or have flu-like symptoms or sores. Liver problems can occur with Entyvio. If other treatments haven't worked well enough, ask your doctor about Entyvio. If you're experiencing financial hardship during these trying times,
Should come apart like such. The problem with this is that this knob is holding this on. There's got to be a way to pull this knob off. There we go. Cover comes off, and let's pull the blade off. Blade comes off. And here is the blue fan blade. I know on camera it looks royal blue, but in person it's not royal blue, even though it looks royal blue on camera. In person it's more like a sky blue. But I want you to look at the pitch. No wonder this thing don't move no air. Look at that, it's got terrible pitch. It has no pitch. It has no pitch. Let's do it from the side real quick. Look at it from the side. Look at the blade. No pitch whatsoever. No pitch whatsoever. No wonder this thing don't move no air. They didn't put no pitch on it. Well, I guess for $18 you can get a fan that's just a noisemaker. I think that's what their main, I think that's what they had in mind, just to make it a noisemaker. Because the pitch on it don't hardly move enough air. It barely moves any air. So that's awful. The motor is good. It's a regular standard shaded pole motor. It's just a regular size shaded pole motor. It's the standard C-frame motor. Got the windings right there, covered up. So if you was to wash this out, it wouldn't hurt the motor because the windings are covered. But I'm not going to do that. So relatively easy to take apart. That's to unscrew the motor. You got 2 screws to unscrew the motor, 2 screws to unscrew the bearing. That's why I like shaded pole C-frame motors. Typically for me, those are much easier to deal with when it comes to oil them. But when it comes to PSC motors, you're a pain in the butthole because you got to try to pull the stator out and all that crap. But I don't typically deal with those. So anyways, I've seen enough videos on how to deal with these on Jordan Hughes videos. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get that metal blade right there. Pop it on here and let's see what we got. Yeah, this is awful. This blue blade has no pitch at all. The shaft on here is not even that big that holds the blade. So this is a terrible blade design because it has no pitch. Anyways, nowhere the thing wouldn't move no air. Wow. All right, let's get the other one out. See what we can do.
The sooner you accept your place here, the better it'll be for all of us. You come around, this ankle thing can come off. Once sure that you can be trusted.
All right, let's turn it back around, and now let's put it on this motor, and let's see what we got. We'll give it a couple of drops of oil in the front bearing. I heard a little bit of rattling. Okay, getting ready to oil the motor a little bit, and then I'm going to try to put the blade on.
seen her.
Can you please just look at the picture just for a second?
Like I said, I'm sorry. I haven't seen her. You don't get out much anymore, and you know what? We're just really not big on visitors.
Do apologize. I'm watching the movie. Do apologize for it. Yeah, let's go ahead and try to order this
Do you
morning.
have children?
3. 2 boys and a girl.
Then you can imagine what it might be like knowing that one of your kids is gone.
A short leash kept mine in line.
I don't want the oil on my
Don't you think this is a matter
table, so I'm just gonna.
with the police?
Yeah, I'm talking to them. They tell me they're looking for her. I just, do you know if any of your neighbors own an ambulance?
An ambulance?
Yeah, my daughter was in an accident, and the last time I talked to her, she said the ambulance was on its way. She never showed up to the hospital.
Sorry, I don't know of any.
Thank you for your time.
Just fair warning. Most people around here aren't as nice as we are. And they just really don't take kindly to trespassers. Especially ones with questions.
Right.
Well, I said I didn't want no oil on the table, and unfortunately, some oil got on the table. It is what it is, though. Okay.
Get the recorder.
Wait,
No.
oh, you'll make a message. Or I'll make a call. I'll tell her I found something, and she needs to come meet. And the boys will take care of the rest. Make her stop snooping where she doesn't belong. So choose. You or me.
Yep. A lot better. Plus, I gave it oil, so the spin down time is way better. Wow. Just a little bit of 3 in 1. Got a good spin down time. All right, let's put the cover back on and let's see what we got.
I'm sorry I left like I did. But I just needed some space. So you live your life. And I'll live mine. And I'll come back when I'm ready. I love you, Mom. Tell Dad I said hi.
Sole survivor of the cheerleader slangs. There's a sweet mystery.
What if it's the killer back for the 10-year anniversary?
When the cheer disappears, there's a murder on the loose.
Why can't I win?
Everyone's a suspect.
I thought all cheerleaders were just a bunch of evil bitches.
Who's killing the cheerleaders? Tomorrow at 8. Part of Sleigh Bells on LMA.
Crafting lasting fragrances begins in nature. Airwick scented oils are infused with natural essential oils for fragrance day after day, up to 60 days. Airwick scented oils connect to nature.
All right, there it is with the metal blade. It has the metal blade in it. So let's see how it runs with the metal blade. And I'm going to stop this video here because it's getting long, so we're going to do that in part 2.